Hello student, how are you? I hope all of you good. Today we are starting our first chapter, rational number. Starting the rational number, we are discussing our some concept of previous classes like natural numbers, whole numbers and integers. So what is the natural numbers? Natural numbers are those numbers which are started from 1 like 2, 3 and goes to infinity. Goes to infinite. These numbers are called natural numbers. What is the whole numbers? Whole numbers, which numbers are started from 0 like 1, 2, 3 and goes to infinite. These numbers are called whole numbers. Integers. What is the integers? All the positive numbers and all the negative numbers. And 0 called integers. Right hand side called positive integers, left hand side called negative integers. Now we are moving to our important topics, rational number. What is the rational number? The number which can be written in the form P upon Q. The number which can be written in the form of P upon Q, where P and Q are integers, and Q is not equal to 0. This is our first condition and this is our second condition. P and Q are integers and Q is not equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0 are called rational number. P and Q are integers, Q is not equal to 0. Here is the same example of rational numbers. Minus 3 upon 5. Minus 3 is equal to P, 5 is equal to Q. Both are integers, so our first condition is fulfilled. Q is not equal to 0. Here is the Q is equal to 5. Here is the Q is equal to 5. So we can say this is rational number because our first and second condition both are condition fulfilled. Now check the second. Minus 2 upon 7. Here is a P is equal to minus 2 and Q is equal to 7. This is minus integer. This is plus integer. Both are integers. So our first condition is fulfilled. Now check the second condition. Q is not equal to 0. Here is the Q is equal to 7. So the second condition is also fulfilled. So we can say this is rational number. Now, what is the positive rational number? What is the positive rational number? A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either both positive or both negative. A rational number is said to be positive if its numerator and denominator are either both positive and both negative. Here is some example of positive rational number. 7 upon 3. This is positive integer. Numerator is 7, denominator is 3. Both are positive integers, so we can say this is positive rational number. Minus 3 upon minus 7. Here is the minus 3. Minus 3 is numerator and this is negative integer. And denominator is minus 7. This is also negative integer, so we can say this is positive rational number. Now, negative rational number. What is the negative rational number? A rational number is said to be negative if either numerator or denominator is negative. Here is some example. Minus 5 upon 9. Minus 5 is a negative integer and its numerator. Upon 9 is a positive integer and its denominator. Minus 5 upon 9. So we can say this is negative rational number. 3 upon minus 7. This is positive integer. Numerator is positive. And minus 7 is negative. Denominator is negative. Positive, negative. So we can say, according to definition, this is negative rational number. Our topic is equivalent rational number. What is the equivalent rational number? If P upon Q is a rational number and M is a non-zero integer, then P upon Q is equal to P into M upon Q into M. Here is the example. Minus 3 upon 5 is a rational number. When we multiplied by 2 in both numerator and denominator, minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. Minus 3 into 2 is equal to minus 6. 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Minus 6 upon 10. Again we multiplied by 3 in both numerator and denominator. Minus 3 into 3, 5 into 3. Minus 3 into 3, minus 9, 5 into 3, 15. Look here, both are rational numbers. Both are rational number is equivalent to minus 3 upon 5. Minus 3 upon 5. Minus 3 upon 5. Now, the second portion of equivalent rational number. This is the first portion, this is the second portion. Now, second portion. If P upon Q is a rational number, if P upon Q is a rational number, and M is a common divisor, of P and Q, M is a common divisor of P and Q, then P upon Q is equal to P divided by M upon Q divided by M. Here is the example, 36 upon 45. 36 upon 45. 36 divided by 9, 45 divided by 9. 4 upon 5 is equivalent to 36 upon 45. 36 upon 45. Second example, 35 upon 49. 35 divided by 7. 49 divided by 7. Then we get 5 upon 7. 5 upon 7 is equivalent to 35 upon 49. 5 upon 7 is equivalent to 35 upon 49.